If I have a smaller head, what topper do I need? It's a very valid question. Yes, it's a relation with the size of your head, and I will show you why. I am a small size. Look at my head. Look at my hair loss. Let's see from here to here. My head is 10 inches. Here from here. Some people have 12, 11. This one is amber. It's 6 by 6 and it's a short base. So if you are looking for a topper with a short base, you'll have no problem. It doesn't matter the size of your head. Why? Because the base it's finishing here. So it doesn't matter if you have an average or large head or a small one, because it's finished here on the top. It covers only the top part, so it doesn't matter. This is upgrade Courtney. The upgrade Courtney who have 7 by 8 the base, so it's a bigger base and the coverage is bigger. In this case, because it's no more than 8 inches, it's not a problem. I have upgrade Aura 7.5 with 7.5 base, so it's a bigger base too, because it's not bigger enough. Here that will stay flat down. Okay, no problem at all. The breeze have 8 by 9 on the back here. That this base is coming more down than all other bases. That means that on the back you can show like you have something empty there and it's lifting. What I did, I make this change, this little change on the topper. Okay, I sew a little this part to reduce the volume on the back to can stay flat on my head. And now let's see that one on my head. So here it is. This is breeze 8 by 9, a big base. It's the close lace front. I put this tape to make it look more natural. Look at how beautiful it is, and look at the back. So I made the change I already show you to make this part stay down, and now it stay completely flat on my head. Otherwise this part will a little lifting. I need, and I advise you, if you have the same small head as mine, to look at the toppers with a smaller base, no more than 7.5, maybe upgrade Courtney in this case 7 by 8, but 8 will be the last and the bigger size of your topper if your head is smaller like mine. Or if you want a bigger one for a big coverage, for more hair, no, in this case you will have to make this change on it. So breeze, it's a very wonderful topper. I love it for the very natural part. Have enough hair for me in my case, but I always need to make these changes on the base of the topper. It's not a big deal for me, but maybe if it's a big deal for you, don't change, don't choose the breeze.